Recently, I received a comment from a person who is facing this problem. Let's try to solve it for them. And if you are new on my channel, I hope this solution will work for you as well. So let's get started. SSL Connect error 5 is a generally error that can occur when a download manager is trying to establish a secure connection to a website. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including a problem with the website's SSL certificates, a problem with the download manager configuration, and a problem with the user internet connection, and the last, a problem with the user firewall or antivirus software. To troubleshoot SSL Connect error 5, you can try the following steps that I'm gonna show you in this video. So by till end, hopefully your problem should be fixed after applying all these steps. Step number 1, make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Try restarting your modem and router, and then try downloading the file again. Might be this will solve your problem. Step number 2, make sure that your firewall and antivirus softwares are not blocking the download manager. Try disabling your firewall and antivirus software temporarily, and then try downloading the file again. If you are able to download the file with your firewall and antivirus software disabled, then you need to add an extension to your firewall and antivirus software to allow the download manager to connect to the internet. Here I'm going to show you how you can do that. The first option, you can disable your antivirus temporarily. Just open Windows Security Defender, or you are using any other, just go into the virus and threat protection settings and make sure to turn off the real-time protection. Once you have done this, now we will turn off the Defender. Same again, Windows Defender, or you can search it over here, but it's fine. We can go through the security, firewall and network protection. And now here you can see which one is actually right now active for you. In my case, it's public network. Just go over there and turn it off, just like this, and try to download it. If it's working, that's great. You need to add the extension in your firewall and antivirus. And in case if it's not working, then you can just re-enable it. It's important to enable the security for your PC. Now, step number 3, try downloading the file using a different browser or download manager. If you are able to download the file using a different browser or download manager, then the problem is likely with the download manager that you are using. Try update the download manager to the latest version, or try using a different download manager altogether. The same thing you can apply with your browser. If it's working or you are downloading with browser and different browser is working fine, then simply you can replace the browser or clear the cache and update to the latest version. Might be this will fix your problem. Now in my case, I'm using IDM. So to the IDM, if we talk about the IDM, a lot of people are just facing issues with IDM. So just go here into the download and then option, and here you need to find the proxy and socks. Make sure to turn this, check this option, no proxy socks. If you are using any VPN or any proxy, in that case you can use this option, use system settings. Otherwise, no proxy, no socks. Check this option, and also check this option, and go into the dial up and VPN and make sure if this option is checked and there's any selected VPN, make sure to uncheck this option and hit OK, and this will fix your problem. One more thing you can do here, click on the Windows icon, then search here for the internet options and then enter. Now in the content section, clear the SSL state. So might be you have some glitches in your side, so you can just clear this, like. And one more thing, you can just delete all the cookies and cache etc from your side. So this will fix your problem hopefully. Now the next step, check date and time. Ensure that the date and time on their systems are set correctly. SSL certificates have expiry dates, and if the system date is incorrect, it may cause SSL error. So it's easy, guys. If you don't know the exact date and time on that day, just right click on your clock and then click on the adjust date and time. Once you open this, here's uncheck this option and recheck this option, or after rechecking, just click on the sync now, and it will fix the time. And make sure select the exact time zone according to your country. Right now I'm in Pakistan, and Islamabad and Karachi is in Pakistan, and it's +5, so that's why I'm choosing this one. Hopefully you can do this. After doing these things, your problem should be fixed. Now the last option, update the download manager. Make sure they are using the latest version of the download manager. Updates may include bug fixes that addresses SSL connection issues. So if you have already downloaded the download manager, a lot of even every application have their options to update. So in IDM, you can simply go into the help section, and here you can see check for update. Just click on it, and it's now checking for the new version. And if there's any update available, make sure to update your IDM. This will fix your problem. After implementing these steps, the SSL connect error 5 should be resolved. If you encounter any further issues or have additional questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.